Well, hello and welcome to today's video. I am going to be using these papers in my journal. These are the free January papers that you can download from my Patreon. I'll leave the link in the description. Every month I release a new set of imagery. So this is, if you've not yet seen it, this is this month's, and it comes with 4 tags, and the front cover also comes with a tag, a double tag. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use these papers. I will be doing some painting, and I want to bring out some of these colours. So the orange, I love the blue, and even the page, which just tells you a bit about me and gives you some of my links, that can be used as well. So I'm going to probably start with that. So I'm just going to create a background using these papers. So I'm going to use this page with the wording on as as the background to cover what's here, and then we're going to work with the rest. You don't have to only use these papers, and you can, save them and make them into whatever you like, adapt them. So I've gone over with, it's a vintage kind of colour tint on her face, gel paint, and yes, I just wanted to darken it slightly, and now what I'm going to do is go over it and just add my own bits. And then where we've got the ink here, I like to add a white Posca pen and go around it. So that's what I'm going to do and finish off this page. I've let these bits stay so that I can use it as like a, add some journaling, maybe a poem or something related to the word I've got here, flow. So I'm just going to spend some time working on it, and this is how I like to, you start a page and then you get it to a particular point that you can then like this one, go round it and just spend some meditative time, really. So I'm just going to go round and this is just a black pen, and highlight her lips, her eyes, and maybe do some markings on her face. So she's going to end up slightly different from the image I created to begin with. The bits that I have left are, this is from the page where I've got my, details on from the downloads. And then I've still got the tags left. I can actually add this to card, and then they can go in my paper ephemera pack and be used at another time. So I'm just going to do this for a while and work on this page. Okay, so we've finished. I've still got some space down here if I want to do some wording, but I like the way she turned out, and I liked the yeah, I just liked the doing the flowers and adding that detail, and she was totally different from the original one, but that's fine. You know, these are guides. You can use them as you wish in terms of, you know, your creating, and I'd love to see what you do with your free papers, and look forward to connecting with you soon.